If your backyard seems to be lacking a key element, an outdoor fireplace might be the thing to build the perfect patio retreat. Keep watching for 6 fireplaces that'll make for the outdoor space of your dreams. Number 1, Most Popular. Deckmate Sonora Outdoor Chiminea Fireplace Model 30199. Capable of burning either artificial fireplace logs or wood, this quality chiminea is as versatile as it is beautiful. It has an artisan rubbed bronze finish that looks quite nice and holds up well to weather. To make adding fuel and emptying the ash catcher a lot easier, this fireplace is equipped with a sliding door that's easy to open and close. Sturdy cast iron outdoor artisan chiminea fireplace features a rubbed bronze finish. It has full 360-degree view of fire with a fine wire mesh spark screen. Number 2. Deckmate Corona Fireplace Model 28063. This outdoor chiminea only stands 35 inches high and only weighs 35 pounds, so it can be used virtually anywhere in the backyard. It can easily be placed on a deck, a patio, or anywhere else a high quality of heat is needed. This fireplace features sturdy steel construction with designer embossing and wire mesh screening. It is ideal for use with firewood and artificial logs. Its bulb shape allows for 360-degree view of the fire, and has a full 360 degrees view of fire with fine wire mesh spark screen. Number 3. Landmann USA 25722 Outdoor Redford Fireplace. This fireplace not only allows those sitting around it to have an unobstructed view of the fire, but it also has a unique design that's quite fun. This fireplace is 26 by 22 by 41.5 inches, and only weighs 43 pounds, so it won't take up a lot of backyard real estate. It's also equipped with a lid and chimney that helps to direct the smoke upwards, instead of out towards the guests. The large contemporary-styled fireplace provides 360 degrees views of the fire. Number 4. Deeco DM0039 IAC Aztec Allure Pizza Oven Chiminea. Made from high-quality cast iron and equipped with a flue inside of its body, this outdoor fireplace is ready to provide warmth or even provide a way to cook food. It has a hinged screen spark guard for safety, and has a pizza oven compartment that can cook a pizza up to 14 inches in diameter. This unique outdoor fireplace is perfect for those who enjoy cooking on a wood fire and are looking for quick grill access. Made of durable cast iron construction with a fiberglass lining to lock and heat on top oven section. Number 5. Red Ember Outdoor Fireplace. This 20-inch by 25-inch by 48-inch fireplace is large enough to heat most outdoor parties, but is small enough that it doesn't take up half a deck to do it. This product is raised above the ground on 4 cast iron legs for safety, and has a fire bowl that's 23.5 by 17 by 8.5 inches in size. It also has a chrome cooking grate that allows this outdoor fireplace to be easily converted into a barbecue pit for making hot dogs, corn on the cob, or burgers. Number 6. Venetian Grill Wood Burning Chiminea Charcoal Color. Outdoor chiminea that is made from low-quality steel or cast iron tend to rust when left in the elements, particularly if they aren't covered properly for storage. Fortunately, this product doesn't that problem as it's manufactured from a rust-proof high-quality cast. This fireplace isn't just durable, it's also quite practical. It has a large firebox that's capable of burning logs up to 20 inches in size, and it has a grilling area that can be used for cooking veggies or warming up hot dogs. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.